Hey y'all, Amber back. You're close to my heart maker. I am back for another process video, and today I'm going to be doing my Follow a Sketch Friday, and it went live today, and on my scrapbooking crop group on Facebook. And every Friday I post a sketch for the ladies and gentlemen in there to create something, and then they post their photo of their page they create. And I pick a random winner the following Thursday for somebody to win a card from me. So it's really fun. It's a great way for us to get some scrapbooking done. And if people do it every Friday, they will have 52 layouts done at the end of the year. How awesome is that? So I am using the leftovers from my VIP kit. If you are a VIP with Close to My Heart, you can purchase this kit. It came with an exclusive sticker set, stamp set, and they have a Facebook group where you can go and join and do the projects that it creates. And so I'm simply using my leftovers, and then I did add a piece of Lagoon paper and white paper to this just so that I had some stuff I can use as my background. Now, I love taking a sketch and recreating something for myself. There's so many fun things you can do with sketches. You don't have to follow exactly like. It could just give you an idea of a starting point that you can work with. And you can do so much with a sketch. So I love to follow a sketch. Now, I did veer a little bit from the sketch. So I did do a full border around my page, which the sketch does not call for, but I did want to add in more of this lagoon color because the blanket in the picture is blue. Now these pictures are of my best friend and her mom. Her mom made her this blanket, and it's just the day that she gave it to her, and it's just such cute photos, and I wanted to scrapbook them for my friend because she is not a big scrapbooker. And this is just things like this are the things you need in your albums. These are the things that we need to remember. So I wanted to do that for her. And again, I am just using the scraps. I did not have a piece to do that full big square in the middle there. And so what I did was use 2 of my scraps and cut them in half. And it makes it look like it's 2 larger pieces, but really I pieced them together. So I love that you can take scraps and do that with them. Now, at the bottom of the sketch, it did have some banners, so I am going to go ahead and cut some banners just to throw more of those papers down here in this corner and get those going. Now, I did off-screen glue all this together, so if you're wondering, hey, how is it all put together now? I did that. But I'm going to pull out this stamp set. In the class that Close to My Heart did for the VIPs, we learned some really fun techniques. And this stamp set is really cool, and there's lots of fun things you can do. There's lots of circles that you can play with, which are totally awesome, like this one right here. It's like a squiggly circle. And a little hint, if you have circle stamps, lay them down on the table and then pick them up with your block. Because if you lay them down, they're going to take their form better than if you were to try to put the stamp on the block. I hope that makes sense. So I did stamp a little heart on a green on green on that little banner, and then 2 of the circles on this larger circle, which I will use as a base for my cluster over here. And it turns out super cute, you guys. Stamping adds so much to a page. I need to make sure that I am pulling out my stamps more often because it really does add so much to a page. Now I am looking at the stickers, trying to see what I want to use. This one right here says, hello, my name is. And I'm actually going to end up covering my name is and just leaving the hello. Because I don't think hello, my name is kind of goes with this page, but the hello is cute, right? And the whole thing itself is cute. So I do want to keep that. Now I am going to go and I'm going to grab my paper punch, my notebook punch, that's the word. And I punched this pink. I added it in the banners down there at the bottom. And I thought, you know, I need to add some more up here and carry that paper throughout the layout. So I do that up here. The sketch does call for 2 strips going across the top of the photos up here. And so I'll use that as my back one. And then I'm going to take one of the border stickers off the sticker sheet and trim that down to fit as the top strip going up here. And it just turns out stinking cute, you guys. I love the little pops of Lagoon in the stickers and throughout this page. It just turns out really cute. Now, I am just going through the stickers and adding little stickers here and there. I think, am I going to use that arrow? And I decide not to. There's not much black. And so I feel like there's more browns. And so I didn't want to really do that. Now, again, pulling out my stamps to see if there's a stamp I can use. And I decided to go with this one. At first, I was going to do You Are Loved. But it already says love right there. I didn't want to do that twice. And so I decided to go with this Best Ever. And I'm going to stamp it in flamingo on a piece of white daisy cardstock that was just a scrap in my kit. And then I'm going to cut it out and pop it up off the page just to give it some more fun dimension right there. And I think it turns out stinking cute. My 3D foam is almost gone. So again, I need to purchase more. I really need to like have more backup as adhesive. I always feel like I'm running out. Now this did come with some wood hearts, and I did not have this many wood hearts left over, you guys. I went and I added them to my other bags of wood hearts so that they're all together. So I do have more than the typical person or the typical kit would have left over. Now, something else we learned in this class was to take these open hearts, the open shapes of the wood shapes, and glue them on a piece of paper and then cut them out so that they're backed with paper. So stinking cute. And I did grab that same pink that I felt like I needed to carry throughout the page, and I did back it with that. Of course, I'm going to add some splatters here. I'm going to use the turquoise gloss spray, and I'm just going to do a diagonal of splatters down my page. And then I will trim out this heart using my nonstick scissors. I did use liquid glass to glue it down, as I do with all my wood shapes. And then I will place it on my page, and then my page is done. You guys, if you are interested in joining my crop group where we have lots of funness going on, I will leave a link down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye.